doctor looked into my eyes. Your vision is impaired. I won't forget that feeling. Kinda worried, kinda scared. A familiar tale of eyes that fail I felt right at the start. A burden to my family. The blur consumed my heart. The things most take for granted were a struggle for me to do. But all these things invisible, so most don't have a clue. I fought for independence, fought for confidence and pride, but something kept me breathing, found the strength from deep inside. As eyes declined, I joined the line to get the help I'd need. Felt anxious stepping out my door, but I did not concede. Yet over time, these fears of mine no longer made me trapped. I took the help that's out there and it's helped me to adapt. My family and friends know when to help or give me space as I learn to come to terms with these new challenges I face. I'm proud of where I am now. I'm not scared like once before. To do the things I thought in life weren't meant for me no more. I see the beauty of this world much clearer in my mind. Each day's an opportunity that I am yet to find. And now I know I'm not alone in all that sight loss does. I'm not afraid as vision fades. It's never me, it's us. For we are on the cusp of change. Tomorrow's looking bright. Advancements in technology to help us win this fight. The teams of specialists and non-for-profits show they care, improving quality of life and show they're always there. No matter the condition, DME or AMD, cataracts, glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, there's lots of ways that people just like me can lose their sight. It's rarely all or nothing, sight loss isn't black or white. As globally the figures grow, so does our dedication in finding new solutions, transform lives with innovation. So we can be the change makers, the spark that ignites the flame. Despite our disability, our ability will remain.